Hello, and welcome to the PRINCE2 e-learning course. This e-learning course is designed to meet your needs of passing the PRINCE2 exams, as well as to enable you to implement the PRINCE2 methodology to manage your projects successfully. This course is divided into two modules, Foundation and Practitioner. The Foundation module covers 19 PRINCE2 chapters as given in the manual. This module introduces and explains PRINCE2 concepts and their application in real-life projects. At the end of every major chapter, exercises based on case studies are used to reinforce the concepts. And a simulated practice test is also provided to enable the delegates to assess their preparedness to take the Foundation exam. The Practitioner module covers the application of the PRINCE2 methodology in the context of a project. This module discusses the structure of PRINCE2 Practitioner exam, the different types of questions one can expect, and provides guidance on how a delegate should approach the exam. 3 case studies are used as part of this course to best prepare the delegates to not only pass the Practitioner exam with high marks, but also to get a clear understanding of the implementation of PRINCE2 methodology in different project contexts. Before we proceed further with the course, let us take a moment to understand the origins of the PRINCE2 methodology. PRINCE2 was developed by OGC, Office of Government Commerce, and launched as PRINCE in 1996, and the latest version was released in 2009. The methodology has its origins in PROMPT, a project management method which was introduced in 1989 by CCTA, Central Computer and Telecommunications Agency, a department of the UK government, to manage and implement IT projects. It should be remembered that PRINCE2 is a process-based project management method and not a body of knowledge on project management. PRINCE2 is part of OGC's best practice portfolio, but there is no need for anyone practicing or using PRINCE2 methodology to manage their projects to seek permission for the same from OGC. PRINCE2 2009 comprises of 2 publications, i.e. Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2, which addresses project management from the perspective of project managers, project support staff, and other project personnel who implement the project to create the required deliverables. And Directing Successful Projects with PRINCE2, which addresses project management from the perspective of project board who oversees project implementation. And this e-learning course is based on the official manual, Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2. Now that you have an idea of how PRINCE2 came to be as we know it today, let us take a look at how the PRINCE2 certification is achieved. PRINCE2 certification has 3 levels: Foundation, Practitioner, and Professional. Foundation level. Passing this level confirms that a delegate has sufficient knowledge and understanding of the PRINCE2 method to be able to work effectively with or as a member of a project management team working within an environment supporting PRINCE2. Passing the Foundation exam is a prerequisite for the Practitioner certification. The Foundation examination is a closed-book examination which comprises 75 classic multiple-choice questions. Although there are 75 questions in the examination, 5 of the questions are for test and feedback purposes and will not count towards your final score. You will need to achieve 35 out of the 70 live questions to be awarded a pass at Foundation level. Practitioner level. Passing this level confirms that a delegate has achieved sufficient understanding of how to apply and tailor PRINCE2 in a non-complex project context. The Practitioner examination is objective testing that comprises 8 main questions. Each of the main questions has 10 questions, and every question is worth 1 mark. The pass mark is 44 out of 80 available, i.e. 55%. The duration of the exam is 2.5 hours, 150 minutes. It is an open book exam, official PRINCE2 manual only, and no additional reading time is allowed. All PRINCE2 practitioners should be re-registered within 3 to 5 calendar years of their original certification and can opt for either the full practitioner exam, as explained above, or opt for re-registration examination. The re-registration examination, too, is an open book examination, official PRINCE2 manual only, that comprises 3 main questions, each having 10 questions, and every question is worth 1 mark. Pass mark is 17 out of 30 available, i.e. 55%. Professional level. This certification is the next step for PRINCE2 practitioners looking to further demonstrate their expertise in the PRINCE2 method. This level will test the delegate's ability to manage a non-complex PRINCE2 project across all aspects of the project lifecycle. There is no written examination for this level, and the delegates are assessed at a residential assessment center where they are required to spend 2.5 days carrying out group activities and exercises which are based on a fictional project case study. The delegates are assessed against 19 individual performance criteria. This e-learning course covers the first 2 levels, Foundation and Practitioner. If you are interested in attaining the professional certification, please contact one of our sales managers.